You playing with the bunny? Hey, Nala. Lucky. She doesn't want to play, buddy. Leave her for carrots alone. Hey! You're stealing her carrot. You little stinker. He stole the bunny's carrot. No, let's give her back her carrot. No. Hey! I said leave her carrots alone. Leave her food alone, you. He wants the bunny's carrot. That's Nala's carrot. That is Nala's carrot. Hey, you. That's not your carrot. I'm wondering where her carrots are going. Oh, there he got it. Give me back that carrot. Put the carrot back. Yeah, I gotta put the carrot back. That's for Nala. He got it again. Give Mama them carrots. You!